Welcome back, guys, to a brand new video. In today's video, we're playing a game that I have been playing for, I guess, some time now. It's called Trivia. So let's just go ahead and search. It's called Obby Trivia. So basically, what this game is. So I'll just find it. Oh, I'm on player right now. I'm so dumb. So basically, what this thing is about is that it's trivia, right? If you get a question wrong in the trivia, you lose. Like, you have to do an obby. And if you fail that obby, you die. You got 3 chances. If you fail the 3 questions, then you're out of the game. So, yeah, so that's what I want to be doing today. So let's just search up obby trivia in games. So, yes, this is the game. It's a really fun game, guys. It's made by Rich UK Games. He's made a lot of cool games in the past. And so, yeah, guys, thank you so much for the support on the last video. We got like 20 views, which is insane. Guys, thank you so much for all the support lately. If you guys want to follow me on Roblox, maybe you could play video games together. You know, you can always friend me, guess my link is it. You can maybe put your username in the comments section. That's fine with you. So yeah, if you guys want to follow me, that's fine. So yeah, guys, so we're just gonna play, just gonna wait, and there's also like a practice area, which is pretty cool. Let's just go ahead and go and check it out. So, and I also want to take the time to like talk about what I'm gonna do on the channel, you know, stuff like that. What I want to do like right now is maybe like start out, you know, explore YouTube a little bit, edit my videos. I'm not gonna edit this video, because like I don't know how to edit yet, but I found this really cool editing. It's called WeVideo. It's editor, and I think I can do really good on it. I don't know why I'm being so bad on my thing right now. Sorry about that. But yeah, if you guys can't hear me, I'm sorry. I think it's like an audio glitch. Besides, this screen recorder is like really bad. It only goes up to 50 minutes because I'm using it for free, and my mom won't like buy me it. I haven't told her yet. But yeah, guys. So yeah, I just want to keep, you know, like exploring. I have an idea, guys, and it's gonna be like a really banger. Like next video, I'm gonna do it after school because I'm right now recording this video in my break, and I'm gonna post it after my break, maybe at school time, not school time, like after school time. I'm gonna post it. So yeah, I want to do that. So yeah, I have big dreams with this YouTube channel. Hopefully I can manage to have a total of 50 subscribers. I think that's like my first goal, at 50 subscribers. After that, we could maybe go for 100 subscribers, and 1,000, and 10,000, and 50,000, and 100,000. But we're not there yet. We still haven't hit 10 subscribers, which is not that good. But we'll get there. So yeah, guys. I have big dreams for this YouTube channel. Maybe if I'm really good at it, I could manage to have a total of 30,000 subscribers, which would be a dream come true. So yeah, guys. And again, if you guys want to play with me, my username is right there. I think I'm a pretty fun guy to play with. But yeah, guys, you should probably go subscribe to my friend's channel. I'll link his channel in the description below. So yeah, some new game is gonna start. So let's go. I'll show you guys like how good I am at this game. I just have a natural talent. So let's just get straight into this game. Alright. Let me just show what the heck. What is that? Yeah, sometimes it does that. Okay, so welcome to Obby Trivia Challenge. You will be asked a question. Wrong answer equals attempt an obby. Fail an obby or get 3 questions wrong equals elimination. So yeah, he's just explaining the rules. Last person takes on the final round. And you can see I'm on top. I just started playing this game like I think like a month ago. I haven't played Roblox that much since I got into Minecraft. What is a numeral for, I think it's X. I'm not sure. I haven't played this game in a long time. I think it just takes practice. I'm probably gonna get it wrong. Oh, I got it right. Okay. See, I'm literally just a natural genius at this game, bro. I didn't even know that. I think I'm some guessing genius, bro. Okay. So yeah, so these people got it wrong, so they're just doing an obby. Because they got it wrong and they got 3 chances. They now have 2 chances left. So yeah, and that's me right there. Okay. Which of the following is written in past tense? I have played. I played. He already played. Okay, let's see. People got it wrong. Yeah, there's a few people got it wrong from the last round. Guys, we're doing pretty good so far. Let's just keep continuing with the challenge. And again, guys, it's probably gonna seem boring. My video is probably gonna seem boring at some parts because literally I don't know how to edit. But I found this thing called WeVideo. I'm gonna start editing from there, starting for my next video. So hopefully, I'll make you guys feel good. You know, maybe make it funny. Because I'm not a funny guy. A kitten is the name given to a baby of which animal? A cat. What kind of question is that? Did Rich UK not try on his game? Like, what is happening right now? So I'm glad everyone got that right. I feel so bad, bro. There's like second graders here. Got like 2 questions wrong already. Alright, so we got that. Everyone got that right. Complete the following saying, like I think it's like a bull because like, I don't know. I think it's bull. I'm not sure. Yeah, let's go! Bro, let's go. I'm such a genius at this game. People got it wrong. You suck. You're second grade losers. Everything's so good right now. Alright, now they have to do an obby. And he just... Did you know how to press space? Okay, whatever. How many colors can be found on the flag of the United Kingdom? I forgot. I think it was 3. Yeah, I think it was red. Yeah, I know, yes. It was blue, red, and white. Okay. Yeah, we're doing pretty good so far. People got that wrong. You're dumb. Have you even seen that flag before? Like, do you know how to count, bro? You in first grade? Oh my god, bro. Bro, we're doing so far. We're going so far, guys. And I'm sorry that I'm making short videos. It's because of my screen recorder. It only goes up to 50 minutes. It's a free, that's why. What is the fastest land animal in the world? That's definitely a cheetah. Leopards are pretty fast as well. I've seen a documentary on that. Let's get that right. You guys can't like see me like on the screen recorder because it has like a box. That's the I can like I can expand. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that. Let me just expand myself. Like right here, that's my skin. That's my skin. Well, let's just go to this video. In which year was Hong Kong handed over to? I don't know. 1987. 1987. I have no clue, bro. No, I got it wrong. Everyone got it wrong, bro. I don't know that one. I got it. Okay, we now have to do a freaking obby. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for this one. Now we start going. Oh god. No! I died! Okay, she won. GG's. Bruh. Bruh. That is like so dumb. Okay, we do have a couple more minutes left for like my screen recorder. So yeah. Okay, bye. Yeah, my mom was calling me. Sorry about that. You can't hear me? Bye! Okay, my mom was calling me. I don't know how to edit, so I can't edit it out. But yeah, guys, if you guys are enjoying the video so far, make sure you leave a like. I don't really like know how to title videos. Like, I'm pretty much a boring guy. But hey, I'm gonna link my friend's channel. I think he makes pretty good content as well. He's only done like 3 videos so far, so you guys probably won't like it. But still, if you guys are enjoying my paw videos, make sure to comment to see if you guys like them, or like give me feedback or some stuff, because I want to become like a famous YouTuber. Not famous YouTuber, but like, you know, like a standard YouTuber, you know, like that YouTuber that has like 60,000 subscribers and people watch him on the daily. So that's what I want to become. So, because I don't want to make it too big, because like, I'm just a kid right now. Maybe when I'm like an adult, like 15, 14, maybe I could go for it, because I've seen 15, 14-year-olds like that. But 15, 14-year-olds, they just record Call of Duty, and they explode, and they quit it, and then they come back after like 3 years, and they're like, hey guys, what's up? But yeah, so, yeah, that's when I want to come. Anyways, guys, I only have like 5 minutes left because of my screen recorder. But yeah, guys, if you are enjoying my content, thank you. I don't know what to say. If you guys are enjoying my content so far, I would really appreciate if you guys left a like on the video. If you guys could subscribe, that would be pretty cool. That'd be cool. Another trivia. Let's go ahead and try and win this game, guys. I've guessed I got like 7 wins in the past month. So hopefully I can do something. It'll be all the asked questions. This is just to show the rules. I'm really hoping that I can do something. So you guys just keep going, keep up the grind. But yeah, let's just keep going. Let's just do this. Someone's on school right now. Okay, that's cool. How many days are left in a fortnight? I think it's 14. Because Fortnite, it's like, yeah, I think it's, yeah. It sounds like the game Fortnite. Okay, whatever. Like, just playing Fortnite, like, how many weeks you play Fortnite? Your mom was like, oh my god, you can only play for 2 weeks, and just gets you off the game. Like, bruh, mom, that's a different Fortnite. Can you spell? Oh god. Oh. That perk is pretty easy. You can just spam jump. So yeah. Only 2 people died. That's pretty bad. Yeah, what is the 3rd letter of the English alphabet? That's C. Alright. I got that. Alrighty. Let's keep going. I don't know if you guys can see my wins. I have 7 wins. Let me expand the screen. Oh yeah, see? I have 7 wins. And 451 coins. Okay. What is the capital of the USA? It's Washington, D.C. I can't press. Okay, never mind. So yeah, let's just keep going. Let's go. We got the question right. Okay, now the people have to do an obby. Make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe. You guys are loving the content so far. I'm trying to expand that. Alright. So see the other question. Who is the author of the Harry Potter series? That is J.K. Rowling. Oh god, I can't press. What is wrong with me, bro? People actually got that wrong? What are you talking about? People actually got that wrong? Bruh. That is insane. How can people get that wrong? Okay, this is pretty easy. You just have to avoid them. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty easy parkour. He just died. He died. She died too. Oof. Alright, let's keep going. How many zeros are in the number 1 million? There are 6 zeros. That's pretty easy. That's pretty straightforward. Someone got that wrong. How do you get that wrong? I don't understand. What? These people are so stupid. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, you're so dumb. Bruh. Okay, I was originally going to title this video Natural Born Genius. But now I'm just going to title it something stupid. Because, like, what is wrong with Roblox? How do you play? Okay, checkmate. If people get this wrong, like, I'm gonna be done. I'm done. Oh my god. If people actually get this wrong. Oh my god. Why are you getting this wrong? Bruh. Bro, this is straight content, bro. This is straight content. Bruh. Oh my god, and he died. Okay, that's cool. Alrighty, let's keep going. So there's 3 people left. How many eyes does that bee have? I think this is trick. Yeah, I think it's 4 eyes. Or is it 5? I don't know. I actually don't know that question. It's 5. Yeah, I knew it. Alright, I got it wrong. That's my fault. Let's just. So that's 2 large compound eyes. They're smaller. Okay, let's make sure I can remember that. Oh god. No, I died. Oh man, bro. GG's. Guys, I think that's all I have time for. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel if you're new. I make funny content like this all the time. Uh,